Bacon, 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 bacon with a bulldog. Bacon with a bulldog. Bacon, 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 bacon with a bulldog. We're bacon with a bulldog.
Hi, I'm Bobbi and this is Tyson, and welcome to a very special episode of Baking with a Bulldog, because today we are celebrating Tyson's birthday. And Tyson's birthday is May 4th. And if you're familiar with May the 4th be with you, you know why it's called Star Wars Day. Hey, come here, come back. Ty. I have a very bad feeling about this. All right, so we've already lost our hat. Tyson was Darth Vader. Tyson wanted me to be the other Darth Vader. I am not putting this on my head. Ty, listen, come here, buddy. Hey, do you want treats? Oh, are we gonna make Tyson treats today? Is this bacon? Bacon for treats for Tyson? Yes. Come here. Why don't you sit? Sit, boy. All right, we're not gonna sit. So we're gonna start making Tyson's treats. A couple of things. I'm going to be using this pan. It's from Nordic Ware, and it's called a Puppy Love pan, and it has these great little bone shapes that makes it really easy to make a dog biscuit. Like any kind of dough, you can really just push it there and it comes out great. But if you don't have one of those, you can also add a little bit more of the dry ingredients for this, so that you can roll them out and use either a cookie cutter or a stamp or something else to make your shapes too. You can even just cut squares if you want to. But the main thing is that you just want to keep dog treats as simple as possible. We're going to be a little bit on the bad side of nutrition for this one, because they're for special occasions. He loves bacon, he loves cheese, so we're going to use both of those in your treats. But I'm also going to use ground millet. And the reason I use millet is that the nutritional value of this is a little bit better than like a flour. If you don't have millet, you can use cornmeal. You can use like a combination of oatmeal and flour, maybe whole wheat flour combined with oatmeal, something like that. You'll find it just like this. It comes in a small bag. Usually you can get, like this brand is Arrowhead. There's also Bob's Red Mill makes it. You can usually find it at like a Whole Foods kind of store, but a lot of supermarkets are starting to carry more different grains for you to work with too. So I have a cup of this in a bowl. And to that, I'm gonna add 1/2 of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And like I said, definitely special treats for special occasions and not for everyday use, because Tyson doesn't need this much cheese or this much bacon. This is a 1/4 cup of bacon bits. So that's going in there. Okay, Darth Vader, you ready for this? You wanna see your treats? All right. Yes, oh, do you wanna help stir? What? I think he's upset with me that I didn't dress up. You wanted me to be Darth Vader with you? Yeah. What? He's saying I should have been an Ewok. Short jokes aren't very nice, Tyson. They're not. But we're gonna do this anyway. All right, because it is your birthday. So I have my 1 cup of millet. I have a 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar and a 1/4 cup of bacon bits. And to that, I'm going to add an egg. And then, depending on what flour you use, you might need a little more moisture. But let's just blend this up and see what we get. Because if you do need more, you can either add another egg or you can add some applesauce. And you can see it's pretty dry in here right now. So I just have this little thing of applesauce, and it's unsweetened, of course. We don't want Tyson having extra sugar, do we, Ty? You probably wouldn't mind it. Tyson, which is your favorite Star Wars movie? Do you even know what I'm talking about? And you'll see we have all of our stuff from Star Wars out here. Well, not all of it, but different things. And we have the Star Wars glasses because I am that old. We have a lightsaber, that's my son's, and I'm knocking over everything with it. So I am one of the very fortunate people that have one of these Instapots that looks like R2-D2, and he was definitely my favorite character when I was a kid, and it's kind of cool to have him in the kitchen. I have 2 really awesome kids who got that for me for Christmas last year. So anyway, so I have all that applesauce in here, and it's starting to come together. You could use a stand mixer for this or a hand mixer if you want, but it's pretty easy. Millet's very easy to work with. All right, we have dough, Tyson. You see that? All right. All right, so that is ready. Let me just clear this stuff and I'll bring out our pan and we can put them in and get them ready. So, Tyson treats. Yes, Tyson treats. He loves hearing his own name. And he knows the word treat, don't you? Yes. I don't think you... So this costume actually has a Darth Vader sound effect in it. I don't think we need it because we have Tyson panting the whole time, don't we? Yes. You're a good boy. All right, see this? Olive oil, you smell it. Yeah, normally I wouldn't let you get this close to the food, but it's yours. I told you I had a bad feeling about this. All right, let's get this. I'm just brushing olive oil in the pan. Yep. Yeah, I bet Martha Stewart's dog never did this to her. Nope. They probably are very well behaved. Don't knock over the olive oil. Yep. All right. And this next part's kind of fun. It's almost like playing with Play-Doh. Ty, come here, bud. You okay? Yeah. I think when he smells bacon, he gets a little wacky. So, just gotta take a little bit of dough and really just press it in there. And what's nice is that the shape kind of comes together for you. You don't have to make it perfect. I mean, he'll get the idea. And you see too, it's a very nice loose dough. All right, so I'm gonna finish putting all the rest of the dough in here, and then we're gonna put it in the oven for 350 degrees for about like 12 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. You don't want these to overcook and become too hard. You want them to be crunchy, but they don't have to be that crunchy. All right, so we'll come back when these are ready to come out of the oven. Okay, birthday boy, guess whose treats are ready? Yes, look, we took them out of the oven, we let them cool. Even though I did use the olive oil on the pan, because of the cheese, these sometimes can stick a little bit. If that's what happens with you, you can get a plastic knife and just kind of go around the edges and get one of these out. Do you want to try one? Does the birthday boy want to try his special treats? What's this? Oh, yes, we like those. All right, I think we can take your hat off, Darth Vader. All right, so may the 4th be with you and go bake something great. Thanks for watching.